Creating a lead magnet in Wix is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can create a lead magnet in Wix. The process is pretty simple. For that, you just have to be at your Google and then search for Wix and then go to wix.com. As we know, Wix is actually a website builder which allows you to create elements using either drag and drop or create elements by doing the coding. Now you just have to be at the dashboard, and then here you have to click on this edit site. After clicking on edit site, this is how a Wix website editor will open up. Now, Wix website editor is where you can build the website, including the web pages, including the pop-ups, including the lead magnets. However, making it is totally depending upon the creator. You have to have some skills in order to create these things. However, you might be able to add some elements, apps as well. If you search for a lead magnet, you might be able to find a lead magnet as well. But this is a rare in case, but you have to make it all the things. As you can see, these are lead collection form and all the things. You can actually add these things, add these apps right here into the page. Suppose you want to add this one, just click on this add to site and it will be added to site. However, the editor is pretty easy to use, drag drop things. You can actually create it without any problem. You just have to have some knowledge and some skills of creating website and lead magnets, and you'll be able to do it right here. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to create lead magnet in Wix. Hope you guys find this video helpful.